Is your car's interior starting to look more like a disaster zone than a comfortable ride, and you just can't seem to get those stubborn stains out of your seats? Stick around, because today I am revealing the absolute best car upholstery cleaners that will transform your interior from filthy to showroom fresh. 5. Turtle Wax Hybrid. This product has generated a massive amount of hype recently, largely because it claims to be an all-in-one interior cleaner and protectant infused with ceramic and graphene technologies. On paper, it sounds like the ultimate dream for anyone looking to save time, promising to clean, condition, and protect your upholstery and hard surfaces in a single sweeping step. When I first sprayed this product onto a microfiber towel to tackle a heavily soiled cloth seat, I immediately noticed the scent. It has a rather strong, somewhat artificial chemical fragrance that might be a bit overpowering if you were working inside a closed cabin on a hot day. The application itself is straightforward, spraying as a fine mist, but it feels slightly thicker than a standard liquid cleaner, likely due to the conditioning agents blended into the formula, putting its cleaning power to the test on basic dust and light surface stains. The Turtle Wax Hybrid did a respectable job. It lifted loose dirt from the top layer of the upholstery without requiring an excessive amount of elbow grease. However, when I moved onto a deeper, set-in coffee stain on the passenger seat, the performance started to falter significantly. Because this is a hybrid product heavily focused on leaving a layer of protection behind, it really struggles with aggressive cleaning tasks. Instead of breaking down the deep stain, it felt like the slick conditioning agents were just smearing the grime around the fabric fibers. Worse yet, when the area finally dried, it left behind an undesirable stiff feeling on the cloth and a slightly greasy, streaky residue on the adjacent vinyl trims. 4. Adams Polishes Total. Adams is a brand that detailing enthusiasts usually swear by, and this specific bottle is marketed as the only interior product you will ever need. It boasts the ability to clean effectively while leaving behind a layer of UV protection to prevent your dashboard and seats from fading or cracking in the harsh summer sun. Right out of the gate, the user experience with this product is undeniably pleasant. It features a fantastic, sweet, fruity scent that instantly makes the entire car smell fresh and inviting without being overwhelmingly toxic. When sprayed onto the upholstery, it goes on light and doesn't foam up excessively, making it very easy to wipe away with a standard microfiber towel. For routine maintenance and dusting off lightly soiled leather or vinyl seats, Adams' total interior performs admirably. It pulls up body oils and surface dust with absolute ease, and I love that it dries down completely matte. It restored the factory look of my leather steering wheel without adding any of that cheap, slippery grease you find in lower-end auto parts store brands. However, much like the Turtle Wax, its dual-action nature becomes its biggest downfall when confronted with genuine upholstery disasters. When I applied it to a heavily soiled fabric floor mat and a heavily stained cloth seat, the cleaning agents simply weren't aggressive enough to lift the dirt from deep within the pile. I found myself having to spray, scrub, and extract the same spot 4 or 5 times just to see a marginal improvement in the stain. Furthermore, if you happen to overspray this product onto porous cloth fabrics, it tends to leave the material feeling uncomfortably damp for much longer than a dedicated upholstery cleaner should. 3. BRITE Ultimate. While this brand is traditionally recognized for its heavy-duty marine and RV cleaning supplies, I decided to test it out on car upholstery, and the results were absolutely staggering. This product is formulated specifically to break down the harshest grime, mildew, and dirt that accumulates on boats, making it an absolute powerhouse for automotive interiors. The moment you spray BRITE onto a stubborn stain, you can actually see the active ingredients going to work. I tested this on a white synthetic leather seat that had suffered from severe blue jean dye transfer, a notorious issue that plagues light-colored interiors. Where other cleaners required aggressive scrubbing with a stiff brush, this product began dissolving the blue dye on contact. What impressed me the most was how efficiently it tackled the microscopic textures and grains within vinyl and synthetic leather upholstery. It penetrates deep into the pores of the material, lifting out years of embedded sweat, dirt, and sunscreen that regular cleaners simply gloss over. I used a soft detailing brush to agitate the product, and the amount of brown sludge it pulled out of what looked like a relatively clean seat was both disgusting and deeply satisfying. Despite its aggressive cleaning power, BRITE Ultimate manages to be incredibly safe on your surfaces. It doesn't contain any harsh bleach or acid that might dry out your upholstery over time, meaning it leaves the material feeling soft, supple, and naturally clean. There's absolutely no sticky residue, and it wipes away completely clean with a single pass of a damp microfiber cloth. The only reason it doesn't rank higher is that its primary focus is on vinyl and leather rather than being a versatile master of deep pile cloth carpets and fabrics. 2. P&S Professional Detail Products Xpress. If you spend any amount of time watching professional detailers, you will undoubtedly see a gallon of this stuff sitting in their shop. It is highly regarded as an industry standard, and after putting it through an absolute gauntlet of interior messes, I can confidently say it lives up to every single ounce of the hype. The application of P&S Xpress is where the magic truly begins. When agitated with a detailing brush, it creates a thick, luxurious lather that safely encapsulates dirt and lifts it completely off the surface of the upholstery. This foaming action is critical because it prevents you from simply grinding the dirt deeper into the fabric or leather as you scrub. I tested this extensively on both high-end leather seating and heavily soiled cloth door cards, and it performed flawlessly across the board. It effortlessly melted away sticky soda spills, mud from hiking boots, and mysterious sticky residues left behind by kids. The cleaner is powerful enough to tackle the worst grime, but gentle enough that I never once worried about it discoloring or damaging the delicate stitching on the seats. One of the most remarkable features of P&S Xpress is the finish it leaves behind. It leaves absolutely zero residue. None. When you wipe it away, the upholstery is left feeling exactly as it did the day it rolled off the assembly line. Crisp, clean, and completely dry to the touch. It also has a very light, clean scent that doesn't linger, which is perfect for people who are sensitive to heavy chemical fragrances. This cleaner provides an unbelievable value and an unmatched user experience for almost any interior surface. 1. Chemical Guy's InnerClean. This product completely blew me away with its unparalleled versatility, striking the perfect balance between aggressive cleaning power and superior interior protection. It is a quick detailer and protectant rolled into one, but unlike the lower-ranked products on this list, it actually excels at both tasks simultaneously without any compromises. What sets InnerClean apart is how intelligently it interacts with different upholstery types. I sprayed this on everything from plush cloth seats to perforated leather and even headliner. It effortlessly wiped away heavy dust, fresh stains, and embedded grime without requiring me to soak the fabric. It has a unique formula that flashes off the surface beautifully, meaning your seats are dry and ready to sit on almost immediately after you finish wiping them down. The protective properties of this product are simply out of this world. InnerClean features advanced anti-static technology that actually repels dust and dirt long after you have applied it. I noticed that the seats and dashboard in my test car stayed significantly cleaner for weeks compared to the untreated areas. Furthermore, it lays down high-level UV protection to block out harmful solar rays, ensuring your dark upholstery doesn't fade or crack prematurely. Beyond its performance, the finish and scent are absolute perfection. It restores a true OEM matte appearance to all surfaces, ensuring your interior never looks greasy or artificially shiny. The scent is a wonderfully fresh, slightly citrusy aroma that makes the entire cabin smell like a brand new luxury vehicle. It completely eliminates stale odors instead of just masking them with heavy perfumes. Ultimately, Chemical Guy's InnerClean earns the #1 spot because it does absolutely everything flawlessly.